So first you go to settings on your Android device, then you select about phone option, you tap on software information, then you're going to tap build number 7 times to enable developer option. Now select developer option and enable USB debugging. So you go ahead and open Windows Terminal and type the following commands. I'll leave that in the description box. And then, as you can see on the screen, I've already installed it already. So the message from my screen will be different from yours. And then from there, you connect to your Android device via USB cable to the laptop or your computer, and then you type this command as well. And from there, you automatically connect to your Android device and for you to interact with your phone. If you like this video, do want to like and subscribe, and